Good morning, good morning. I have started to make some changes in my life. I wanted to start creating new habits because I was just feeling so stagnant and I knew I needed to improve with my health, with my thought patterns, and just enhance my life. For the past month, I have been really watching what I am putting into my body, my mind, the words that are coming out of my mouth. And I've just been creating new routines. And I've been feeling so much better. I don't know what it was really that just gave me the push, but I just was like finally like, tired. I'm tired of feeling this way. I'm tired of feeling tired. So every morning I wake up, I make myself a cup of tea, currently drinking peppermint, and I say my gratitudes for the day. I read a little bit of my Bible. Sometimes I journal. Jumped back into meditation because it always makes me feel so much better. I have started moving my body, which I think has been such a huge change for me. I've been doing Move with Nicole, and yeah, I've just been feeling so much better. So I thought I'd kind of share here more of, the changes that I have been bringing into my life. I know that I have too much screen time on my phone where I just get stuck on the couch and I'm scrolling forever. Recently, this has only been the past 3 days, putting my phone away at night and not looking at it first thing in the morning. That has been a challenge, but slowly but surely, hopefully I will create a new habit and not have to just grab my phone first thing in the morning. It's really important for me, especially as we go into the winter season. As some of you know, I usually get a bit down during this time. So I'm putting these things into place to make me feel better. And yeah, I just wanted to share some new habits that I've started to incorporate into my daily lifestyle. It is a rainy day. I wanted to kind of go outside and just breathe in the fresh air and kind of create a moody video today since it is so gray and just enjoy the rain. Talk soon. Morning supplement. It feels so good to have moved my body. And now I made myself a breakfast bowl, so nutritious. Another thing I've been implementing is gratitude for the food that I'm putting into my body. Sometimes I don't think and I just shove my face. So I'm trying to be more mindful of who has produced these berries. So yeah, I'm just trying to be more mindful when I eat. I've been cutting out processed foods and I've just been really focusing on whole foods. I made a delicious Buddha bowl the other day and I topped it with like a tahini dressing and it was so delicious. And I think because I've cut out a lot of the processed stuff, my palate is changing and I'm really appreciating just the whole foods. I put a little bit of maple syrup in here as well. Seasons have shifted and winter is almost here. The trees, once vibrant with color, now shed their leaves, a beautiful reminder of nature's ability to let go. I too find myself shedding what no longer serves me, making space for new beginnings. Embracing these transitions takes intention and care, as each season asks something new of us. The days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, inviting us to slow down and look inward. It's the season of reflection, a time to pause and consider all that this year has brought us, the joys, the lessons, and even the challenges. It's a reminder to honor the cycles of rest and renewal. Here in X, the first signs of Christmas are already appearing. Twinkling lights line the streets, and shop windows display beautifully crafted gifts. These lights offer something more than just decor. They bring us hope, warmth, and the reminder to carry a little brightness with us, even as the days grow darker. This season invites us to cherish people we love, to reach out to those we hold close, or even to share kindness with a stranger or neighbor. It's a time to find beauty in the simplicity. The gentle rhythm of the rain on the rooftops, the comfort of a warm drink at your favorite cafe, or a quiet moment with someone who feels like home.